Hi, Mr. Russo here. This video is about how our course grades are calculated. So when you go to your navigation bar and then you click on the link Grades, you will get a window very similar to this. Our course is divided into 5 modules. Module 1 is the introduction, Module 2 is self-awareness and care, Module 3 is social awareness, Module 4 is career pathways, Module 5 are resource choices. Now, in each module, you have assignment or assignments and a quiz. The quiz is a review of the content of the assignments in that module. All right, so say in Module 1, you do Reflection Point 1. This assignment is worth or out of 10 marks. Okay, so when I grade it, I'll grade it anywhere from 1 to 10, depending on where I see it fits in the marking rubric. So let's say that you do a great job, you use the template, you watch the video, you read the information in the assignment tips, and you get 10 out of 10. Now, it will automatically, or D2L will automatically change this weight achieved to 8 out of 8. So what that means is this assignment is worth a total of 8 percentage points out of 100 percentage points. So if you get 100% in Reflection Point 1, you now have a current course mark of 8%. Now, you might think, 8%? Well, no, that's not fair. Yeah, actually it is, because as you keep doing assignments, your mark will increase accordingly to the number of assignments that you have done and the mark that you have received. So assuming you get 10 out of 10 for your assignment, D2L will give you 8%, and that will be your course mark at that time. Now when you do the quiz, say you do a great job, you review it carefully, you understand that this only appears after this assignment is marked, and you get 10 out of 10 for your quiz. D2L will give you 2%, 2 out of 2, as a mark. Well, now your course mark is 10%, which is great. 10% after the first module is fantastic, meaning really you're at 100%, but your course mark needs to be 50%. So as we keep scrolling along, the second module on self-awareness and care has 2 assignments. The emotional wellness, which is a 2-parter, is worth a total of 28 marks. Say you have carefully read the content pages, you have watched the video in the assignment tips announcement, you have read the information in the assignment tips announcement, you've given lots of detail, you've added lots of personal examples, and you get full marks, 28 out of 28. D2L will now make this 7.5 out of 7.5. And adding 7.5 to your 10%, your course mark will now be 17.5%. Physical wellness is out of 12, and it's got a weight of 4.5%. So if you get 12 out of 12, you get 4.5%. If you add that to the 7.5%, you're now at 12% for the Module 2. 12%, say, with the 10% you achieved in Module 1, now you have a grade of 22%. If you get the quiz perfect, you get an additional 3%. So at the end of Module 2, you have a total percent of 25 that you can reach. It's different from what happens in a regular face-to-face classroom where they give you a grade percentage, and you could be at 70%, etc. Here, your mark is determined on the mark you got for the assignment, and those marks are automatically added up in D2L in the grades here. Remember, for the quiz of Module 2 to appear, you must submit the emotional wellness and the physical wellness, and they must be marked. and they must have a mark greater than 0. And so forth as we move through Module 3, Module 4, and Module 5. I hope that clearly explains how your grades are recorded or calculated in CALM, and that hopefully you will see, if I have 10% after Module 1, I am really doing well. If I have 25% after Module 2, I am really doing well. If I have 35% after Module 3, I am doing a fantastic job. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to use your private discussions, and we will have this, we can have a discussion regarding how this works. I may or may not, depending on if this question is asked, be mentioning it in our live session. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a great day. Bye now.